In this video, I will show you how to change your token in Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, of course, what you're going to want to do first is open up Monopoly Go on your device and log into your account. So once you've gone ahead and logged in, the first thing you're going to need to do is actually obtain new tokens. So to go ahead and get new tokens, you can do this by completing various tasks, such as completing all the albums in the Epic Myths event to unlock the Hammer token. Now, once you've gone ahead and unlocked some tokens, to go ahead and change your token, it's really easy to do. So as you can see, my token is down here. I've currently got the Cyclops token at the moment, but to go ahead and change this, you want to come up to the menu in the top right hand corner. So you want to click onto the three lines up here. Then all you want to do is come down and press onto my showroom. And if you're not on the token screen, if you look at the bottom, you've got some different screens like shields and tokens. So you want to press on tokens, and from here you can go ahead and change your token. So for example, if I wanted to change to the dog token, all you need to do is select the token you want to change to, and then go ahead and press the green equip button. And what it's going to do is go ahead and change your token. So that's how to go ahead and change your token in Monopoly Go. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.